Ukraine's unmanned ships are truly a serious threat to the Russian Navy because of their flexible maneuverability and are very difficult to detect. Speed and low visibility due to the USV running close to the water surface at low height make it difficult to detect, along with its flexible maneuverability, make it a dangerous threat. Currently, Ukraine mainly conducts attacks on Russian targets around the Crimean Peninsula using unmanned aerial vehicles and unmanned surface vessels. The new attack vehicle could give Ukraine more options when carrying out military missions in the Black Sea. Komar is a Russian-made weapon system designed to engage low-flying targets such as helicopters, drones, and fixed-wing aircraft at ranges of up to 10 kilometers. At the Interpolitics 2023 exhibition in Moscow, the Russian government unveiled an upgraded version of the Komar 3M4703E naval missile system. According to a representative from RATEP, the system developer and a subsidiary of Almaz-Antey defense concern, the modernized Komar system is designed for ships that cannot carry heavier air defense systems. The new system is capable of engaging not only low-flying aircraft and drones, but also surface targets, specifically focusing on so-called Kamikaze boats. The system can hit surface targets moving at speeds of up to 50 knots, approximately 90 km per hour. This development comes as part of a broader effort to enhance the naval capabilities of Russian fleets against Ukraine, particularly in the context of emerging threats such as Kamikaze boats and drones. The new version of the air defense system is capable of using dual interceptor missiles. It is armed with XLR-S anti-aircraft guided missiles for targeting aerial threats up to altitudes of 6 kilometers. In parallel, it also uses ATACMS-guided missiles that can strike surface targets at similar distances. This multi-role capability offers a comprehensive defense solution against a variety of aerial and surface threats. The upgraded complex is equipped with various types of warheads, including high explosive fragmentation, high explosive, and cumulative, adding another layer of versatility to its arsenal. One of the most important improvement solutions for this weapon complex is the integration of optical, electronic, and thermal imaging systems to identify targets, providing very high versatility. They significantly improve the system's ability to detect and accurately attack airborne objects, including drones. On the technical side, what sets the new Komar system apart is its lightweight and compact design. The launcher's mass is less than 1.5 tons, making it easily deployable on smaller boats and ships. Its reaction time is remarkably quick, locking in just 8 seconds, a crucial feature in critical combat scenarios. As for target detection, operators can visually detect aircraft up to a distance of 15 kilometers and anti-ship missiles up to a distance of 8 kilometers. The system also displays flexibility in its operations. It can accommodate between 1 and 4 universal launch modules, each capable of holding 2 missiles. Among the system's specifications, It is noteworthy that Komar can engage targets at altitudes ranging from 0.01 to 3.5 kilometers, at a distances from 0.5 to 6 kilometers. Despite its capabilities, the system remains incredibly lightweight, making it an ideal choice for smaller naval vessels. Considering that drones are a very serious threat, today such air defense systems are in great demand. According to Almaz-Antey, the manufacturer of Komar, it is not a competitor to the Panzer ME air defense system, since the complexes have different purposes, and the design of the first one is much simpler. Komar is also being promoted for export. This weapon complex is also relatively cheap compared to other ship air defense missile complexes, making it highly competitive and suitable for installation on warships with modest displacement. Komar is considered a modernized version of the previous generation Gibb car air defense system. It is currently unclear which customers are ordering Russian weapons in the context that Moscow is suffering from countless extremely harsh embargoes. The US equivalents of the Komar system include the FIM-92 Stinger and the AIM-9 Sidewinder. Both of these systems are man-portable and can be operated by a single soldier. They are also highly effective against low-flying targets and have been used extensively in conflicts around the world.